Now, another blessing we receive. Mattress. Mama Nit, look. Thank you so much, Mama Janet. Si Sophia, very happy. And then, surrender, Mama Nit, because of my husband, he has a problem for the mattress. And then my sister gave me this gift. She buy for us. Actually, this one, what's his name? The bed, it's already 5 years. And then my auntie also gifted Chaima or auntie. This is also all gift when we already transfer here. My Chaima give. And now, my sister gave me the mattress. See, my two. They're very enjoying. Look, Mama Nit. Thank you so much, Manit. Now we're fixing first this one. It's very foamy. See how Sophia, how Sophia and Daddy. Say thank you so much, Mama Nit. Thank you, Mama Nit. Thank you, Mama Nit, so much. Now we can sleep well. See, very nice. Our bed one for Chaima gift. And then now my sister gift. Thank you so much. We are blessed. Now Sophia is happy. And then God is there in you. See our ceiling, guys. Oh, look. This is our day, evening with star. And the other one with guitar. And then this one, whatever. And now my baby, she's busy. Thank you so much, Mama Nit. Thank you so much, Mama Nit.
Thank you so much, Mama.
I love you. Say, Manit, very thicker, Manit. Thank you, guys. God bless us more. Love you all. Be kind. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you. God bless. Thank you so much, Mama Nit. I love you. Mwah, 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 mwah.